Fix in 5. P0534. AC system refrigerant charge loss detected, pressure sensor signal bell. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. AC system does not cool properly or blows warm air. AC compressor clutch does not engage. Reduced cooling capacity during high ambient temperatures. Check engine light illuminated. AC may cycle on and off intermittently. Now the most likely causes. Refrigerant leak in hoses, condenser, or evaporator. Faulty AC pressure transducer or switch. Low refrigerant charge level. How to fix it. Locate and repair refrigerant leak, most common cause. May involve replacing hoses, condenser, or evaporator depending on leak location. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly varies doing it yourself, or Euro 165 to 300 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0534? The cost to fix P0534 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make, model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cow. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0534. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.